Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce our member.
Waalaikumsalam.
I'm Nazala, Aprian, Zahrika, and my friend.
Aisyah Wardatun Nisa.
I want to present a video about children's storybooks to complete the final semester assignment for an English course taught by Miss Beta. This time we will tell a children's storybook entitled The Brave Cat. There was a cat named Brave who used to live around the mango tree. The cat looked very kind to everyone who passed by the tree, and the cat let out a meow meow sound.
The cat was very poor. He lived alone in mango tree and had no family. But the owner of the mango tree named Mr. John already concerned the cat as a member of his own family, and every day Mr. John gave food to the cat. Next.
Brave loved to play with Lula, Mr. John's daughter. They go for a walk every Sunday morning around the house. It was Lula who named the cat Brave because Lula wanted the cat to be like a superhero. She was given the name Brave Cat.
One day, Brave saw a child playing a kite. Suddenly, the cat crashed into Brave's house.
Brave immediately helped take the kite, but when Brave took the kite, Brave's house fell and was damaged. But the boy turned to Brave because he was disappointed that Brave had damaged his kite.
When she saw this inside, Lola immediately reprimanded the boy, saying, "Cannot you thank the dread devil?" Then the boy left, feeling annoyed, saying the brave was a cat that was not smart and brave.
The Brave then cried in his heart. Lula promised to build a new house for him. Brave felt that Lula loved him very much. The next day, Brave built a new house in the yard around Lula's house.
One day, Lula and Brave were playing around a tree. Then they climbed a tree together, but Lula was afraid of heights, so Lula came down from the tree, but Lula forgot to bring the doll that was left on the tree.
Then Lula asked Brave to get the doll, but her strength was strained because the doll was very heavy. And then the doll was dropped and caught by Lula from below.
On Sunday, Brave and Lula were walking around the house when they heard a baby bird caught in a branch, and Brave tried to help the bird. Brave is very happy to help, so that Brave is very loved by the people around him.
Okay, moral message from the storybook is that we as humans must love animals because stars are also living beings created by God, as well as we as living beings must be able to help each other, but humans and animals because all living beings must live to help each other. And we also have to be someone who dare to take risks for God. Our group made a storybook using the Canva application. The first thing to design a children's storybook is to make the background theme and color of the book to be made. After making it, our group made an ornament like a cat as the icon of the children's storybook, as well as very big of the children's storybook is made of interesting illustration and insert the word in the story. That's all our group presentation about children's storybook. We apologize if there are mistakes in word of deed in presenting the children's storybook presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.